He just broke my line. Well, that sucks. I almost want to throw my rod right now. That pissed me off. And here we are. It's about 40 degrees out with 20 to 30 mile an hour wind gusts. And yeah, 40 may have been a bit high. And we just had snow in April, which is just awesome. But we're trout fishing anyway. Do you care, Mac? Hopefully that means there's not as many people out here today, because I don't like sharing the creek with other people. I'm not a big fan of that. Our local Fish and Boat Commission was nice enough to give us a surprise opening day 2 weeks early after they took away our early opening day. Because, you know, that makes a whole lot of sense. But it's the coronavirus. You're gonna catch the Rona every year. You can see how nature changes, because this bank here in front of me used to just slope down into the water, and with all the rain and stuff over the past year, it's just gone. This used to be a real deep pool over here. Now it looks like it's maybe a foot deep. It's pretty awesome. There's another one of those black things right there, chained to a tree. If anybody knows what those things are, leave us a comment, shoot us a message on Facebook. We're both curious. We can't figure it out. We can't figure out what they do or what purpose they serve. Hey guys, so we are over at Warwick State Park. This isn't a hidden lake or pond or stream or anything. I think everybody in Chester County and their brothers have fished here already since our magical opening day. The park is actually closed. They've got the gate locked, so we've got to walk like a quarter mile just to get into the creek. Ironically, where they're telling everybody to park is posted with a bunch of no parking signs, so that's fun too. We're right at the park office right now. Didn't catch anything. The wind is about 30 to 40 miles an hour. It's been snowing. It's just a lovely day. Just stellar, lovely. We're both wearing our human condom suits. Can I say condom on YouTube? Well, I just did, so I guess I can. We are currently hiking back to the truck. Gonna move down to another spot and also have to get some more bait, because somehow Mac was fishing with a spinning bait, but went through almost all his minnows. I don't know, I'm not sure. I don't know how that works either, but I don't even know how good this video is gonna be, because I'm using my phone because it was snowing and raining and I didn't want to bring the good camera out. So if it sucks, but it's still gonna go up on YouTube. Hey, whatever, right? We're in a pandemic, so anything goes. Catch you at the next fishing spot.
You're fucking joking, right?
Mac is currently trying to find the key that he literally just had in his hand when we got in the truck. He unlocked his door with it, and now it's completely MIA. So we may be stuck at Warwick.
I have another one.
Oh, he has another one.
I just don't know how some bitch disappeared.
It's got to be in the truck somewhere.
I figured it went down this black hole beside the track. I don't see it down there. It didn't go like
This is pretty much how our entire day is going.
It didn't go up the
Update on the missing key. This guy had it in his pocket. Again. I don't know. I don't know.
It's one of those days.
I don't know. How do you feel about today?
Yeah. I think I might go back to bed.
All right, so we are over here at stop number 2. This spot is packed. So let's go see if there's any fish at this spot, because there was no fish at the last spot. I don't think they stocked. It's through the brush we go to catch no fish, and something that rhymes with fish. I hope. Oh boy. They need some trail maintenance going on down yonder, because I'm wearing waders and a silk windbreaker. I'm gonna look like a ripped ribbon by the time we're done. If you want the fish, you gotta go where other people don't go. You know, sane, normal, thinking things through human beings. Oh boy, going down. I don't know if you can see it in the camera angle, but this mud is like ankle deep. there wondering why I'm talking to myself. All you other people with YouTube that follow us, do you ever get the feeling that people think you're insane when you're just walking through the woods, holding a conversation with an inanimate object? Because I feel like that. You know, I often wonder if, for minnows, this is like the scene from Toy Story where the little dudes are in the claw machine. You've been chosen! You've been chosen! If only they knew what they were being chosen for. It's the claw! Last I saw him, he was about 200 yards up on the other side of the bridge, so... There we go. There's another fish on. Ooh, he's a nice one. He just broke my line. Well, that sucks. I almost want to throw my rod right now. I'm using every bone in my body to not chuck my fishing rod into the water. I don't know what just happened. He snapped my line off down at the reel. That pisses me off big time. I don't know if anybody here watches the Guggen Squad, but I almost just had an Alex Perrick moment, AP bassing. Because this reel and rod combo, oh boy. The more I think about it, the more irritated I'm getting. He was big too. I bet you he was 15 inches. He was a big boy. I'd like to know why my line tore. If that happens again, I'm going to have to switch over to a different rod. That pissed me off big time. Very irritated. Very, very, very irritated right now. And the odds of catching him again are slim and none because he's got about 6 feet of fishing line hanging out of his mouth. 6 to 12 feet. I don't know about how much I had out, but it ripped off all the way down at the reel, so there's that. That just happened. Woo, buddy! Another Mondo, boys. Well, we did pretty decent today. Mac, he's up there. He lost 4, 5 that he should have had. I say we did pretty decent at a secluded spot in Warwick Park. Anybody watching this video from around the area knows exactly where we are. I don't know, that sun behind me might not be working out too well for the video. So we are actually heading home to take care of these fish. We might go somewhere else later. I will touch back with you shortly. Peace. Spot number 3 for the day, different creek. It's gotten much, much colder. We have a guest videographer with us. Say hi. Mac is still wearing his condom suit. Don't know how long we're going to be down here because the temperature has dropped drastically. We're both rocking the face shields. Also won't get the Rona with them on. There's always that. Let's see how we do down here.
Got it.
Got it.
2 days and we finally got the one from behind the rock. Look at all the minnows in his mouth.
There it is. Oh my God. Folks, I've caught a guppy. We'll get the release. Whoosh.